everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope every single one of you are having an amazing day. My voice doesn't sound too amazing. This is just hay fever and I guess having kids. So guys, we have some Born Pretty PR. I'm going to get them out. Now I've tried to keep this package upright because I have a pat paint gel. So I just want to make sure everything is round the right way. So I've just taken everything out the boxes. Here are my 5 products. I have a Cateye Magnet Gel, a Super Shine Cat Magnetic Gel. Here are the numbers. I also have jelly. It should be pink. It better be. And I'm going to try this watercolor nail gel. So shout out to Artsy Fartsy Nails. I saw her use this on her channel. So I'm going to be trying this today using the method that she used. So if you haven't checked out her video, please do. And yeah, you'll see exactly where this is coming from, like literally. So again, as I said, shout out to Artsy Fartsy Nails. Thanks for sharing, because I've never done it like that before. So I specifically got this to give that a go and see. So, and I have 2 pigment powders from Born Pretty, so it's perfect. So this pat paint gel is 001, which should be white. Just gonna open that. This thing is so sharp. I just need to make sure my fingers are not nearby. Cut that off. That's right. Okay guys, now if you have stumbled across this video and you're not subscribed to my channel already, please consider joining the family. And if you could, please give me a like. It does help the channel, guys. I'm trying to get to 1K. And I've been collecting lots of things for the giveaway. So I'm going to do this one on a clear swatch. And don't really see it so well. Okay, so I'm going to cure that. It's the Born Pretty magnet, as you can see. And you know, with the Cateye, you want to wake up all the magnetic particles, and then you know you can start literally shifting it how you desire. Totally up to you. Okay, I'm going to cure that. Generally, super Cateyes are super responsive on a dark color, especially black. And you can use a dark jelly, maybe like a, you know, like a purple jelly. You can already see, and that's me just twisting that magnet around. I'm just twisting it around, so very responsive. Another thing I like to do is put it at the tip of your nail. And if I just hold it there for a bit, you can see it shifting. Again, we can come like that. Raise that a bit. Come over this side. So that's super annoying, that big gap in there, but it's okay. we won't waste the swatch. The other cat eye I got is this one, and I'm so excited for it because it's gold. Oh, look at that. So definitely we are going in on a black swatch because I need to see this shift. I literally was like this. And I'm just holding it. This is the jelly one. So this is the super shiny one. This super shine cat magnetic gel. That's what I put there. Put the base coat, and I used the bornpretty matte top coat. Now I'm gonna go in with the jelly. Yes. Okay, so I'm just gonna use that jelly red. No, pink. Oh my gosh, what am I talking about? The pink. It's a jelly pink. It's exactly the one I wanted. I'm so happy. So we have the cat eye at the bottom. So anyway, I'm going to cure that. Oh my goodness. It was for me. It was how quickly, so responsive. Oh my gosh. That was so pretty. I didn't even get to play with it. I literally saw it and I thought, oh my gosh, I'm going to keep it like that. Okay, and that was one coat. So what makes a cat eye different to the next? It's definitely about how much cat eye pigments are in the polish. So again, we're just going to play with this. So you can see I can shift and literally move that cat eye, right? Oh my gosh. And then remove it. And you have yourself like an ombre. And then, you know, you can literally keep the magnet up at the top there. You can move it around. You know, I love that. You can go from the bottom side. And look at that. OMG, it's like magic. So with this super shine, you could literally leave it the way that it is, but you could still, if you wanted to, and say like for instance you didn't do that at the back, you can then put some more on top. So I'm thinking I want to push it down, but I definitely want to have it in the area at the, you know, the tip. So I'm just keeping that magnet there. And you know, this is totally optional, obviously, but I absolutely love the cat eyes. Oh my gosh. And they definitely differ from brand to brand. They do. Here we are. Okay. I'm going to cure that. Make sure it's not touching anything else. I'm going to show you the other swatch that we did. Look how gorgeous that is. Honestly, so super stunning. For this tip, I want to use the Pat Paint Gel. I love the Pat Paint Gel. Such an easy way to get colour on your nails, to do your nail art. I have put some base coat gel on this nail. I'm going to try this watercolour nail gel, and I'm going to, for this review, I'm going to try the technique I saw Arty Fartsy Nails do, where she sprinkled some pigment powders onto the nail. Now, I'm not going to cure it because you do have to do it while it's wet. And maybe I should have done it last because I just realised I might make a mess. bornpretty have so much to explore on their website. Okay, so let's see what we're going to use. Okay, now you know accidents will happen to me. Okay, so I'm going to sprinkle some of the green first of all. Just like that. Let's get some of this pink and sprinkle some just like that. Just do the pink again and then tiny bit of the green. And I've just literally tapped away the excess. So I want to see what the... Now that's a Cateye pigment. Now this is the other pigment, which is like a chameleon-y pigment. Okay. And last but not least, some of this oh so silver stuff. It's, I don't know, it's like a powder. It's not really giving flakes. This is like a powder. Okay, I love that. So this is our other nail. This is how she's looking. I love that pink, so stunning. You know, like every brand, sometimes they have, you know, just a different name for their products. So I think that's why this one is called Watercolour, but really it's like, it's a blooming gel. So this is just with that jelly. That jelly colour that I literally just unboxed. Now, tell me that this is not a stunning pink. Absolutely gorgeous pink. So we can just come down here and just do some little I do love this watercolor gel. This is absolutely amazing. And with the jelly color, look at that. So for this one, I have a matte eggshell top coat. I don't know why, but I want to put this on here. I hope that you enjoyed this video because I absolutely had so much fun with today's unboxing and swatching. So this was our Super Shiny, the Super Shine Cat Magnetic Gel. Absolutely gorgeous. And I did use my reflective top coat on top. So that's probably why you can see. Hold on. No, you can't. Lies. Let's put a flash on. There's the flash. Yes. So we have the cat eye moving and we have the flash. Yes. So that was that one. And honestly, guys, this one, oh, this cat magnetic gel, this gold one is so beautiful. Like, this was the first one. Remember, I literally put the magnet on it and it was just losing it. So I absolutely love this. And don't forget, guys, you can use the discount codes on screen to save yourself 10% when you order at Born Pretty. So this was our jelly swatches, and I did them, mixed it with that shiny cat eye, as you can see there. And then I used this watercolor nail gel on top of the white pat paint gel, and we just did the little dots using the dotting tool, using that jelly color. Absolutely gorgeous. And I did use like a black speckled matte top coat. I don't know why, but I just think it looks nice. So yeah, that brings me to the end of this unboxing and review. So again, thank you all so much for watching. We haven't forgotten this nail. Now this is the nail I sprinkled on top of, and I think it's gorgeous. It really is a cool effect, and I matted her. She's so gorgeous. Now, believe it or not, the way it is matte, I would probably go in with white and draw some stars and starbursts or put some dots. It's so beautiful. So yeah, that brings me to the end, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad. I love everything and I love you all. Thank you all so much for watching. My gloves look like we've been doing envy science. Yes. Mama Does Nails is out. Please catch me in the next one and look out for when I upload, because I don't know what I'm going to do, but that pink is going to come out to play. That gold is giving all the Beowulf. I love the silver shiny one, and I love the watercolors. So I'm going to be back to definitely do something with all these beautiful products from Born Pretty. All right, guys, I love you all, and please don't forget to subscribe. And I did try mixing a powder in here, and I don't know if it's because of what it is, but I'm going to do some more experiments, and I will try like just the normal pigments and see if that helps, or maybe you're just meant to leave it the way it is. I don't know, but we're going to come back to that. Okay, fifth goodbye. Love you. Bye.